So my company, Oshiru, and our medical device, the Ziplyft, is trying to solve the problem of traditional blepharoplasty. If you're a patient, traditional blepharoplasty means you're going to have 2 to 3 weeks of disfiguring, bruising, and swelling as you recover, and you really can't go out in public or work. For a surgeon, it's a very tedious procedure. It can take 45 minutes to an hour to do. It involves bleeding that requires cautery and suturing, which is very time-consuming and tedious. And there are complications like asymmetry occurs in about 10%, and wound issues occur in about 2% of cases. It's a problem for surgeons and for patients, and so that's the problem that we were trying to solve. I've been a surgeon for 30 years doing blepharoplasty, and I've had a blepharoplasty, so I know firsthand from the surgeon side and the patient side about the problems with blepharoplasty, but there's been no innovation in decades in this field, so that's the problem that we're trying to solve. So I got the original idea for the Ziplyft. I was at an ancient Egyptian medicine exhibit, and the Egyptians removed excess eyelid skin by compressing it between 2 twigs and tying it off, and the skin deprived of blood supply would fall off in a week. And I thought that was a really good idea. So based on that idea, we designed the Ziplyft, which uses a technology called compressive skin contouring. And that compression separates the tissue and seals the tissue, so kind of like a tourniquet. So there's no bleeding, no need for cautery, and no need for sutures. We've done 120 patients. We have 8 surgeons doing the surgery, and we've shown in studies that the surgery can be done in less than 15 minutes in most cases with no cautery and no sutures. So surgeons have said things like, it makes eyelid surgery fun again because they don't have to go to an operating room. They can do it in their office. It's fast. Patients love it. So blepharoplasty, there's 500,000 blepharoplasties done in the US every year and 2 million worldwide. It's a $5.2 billion market cap. Since the pandemic, with Instagram and Zoom, and if you've been to a class reunion, blepharoplasty is having a moment. It's 39% increase in blepharoplasty since before the pandemic. And it's, for the first time ever in 2024, it surpassed liposuction as the #1 cosmetic surgery procedure done in the world. So it's a big market and it's growing. Surgeons, like myself, being an ophthalmologist, we're looking for more cash pay procedures we can offer our patients. And this is a cash pay procedure that premium patients are going to want to have. We're finishing up some clinical studies that demonstrate that Ziplyft outperforms blepharoplasty with less bruising, better symmetry, very fast case time, and very high patient and surgeon satisfaction. We're launching the product after the first of the year. If a surgeon just adds 2 blepharoplasties a week, they can add $400,000 to their revenue a year. It's definitely a win-win for surgeons. Our product, which is compressive skin contouring, can be used in other areas of the face and body. So we have patents on removing excess eyelid skin on the upper lid, the lower lid, the brow, the cheek, the jowl, underarms. So we have the technology, the only patented technology to remove excess skin anywhere. And as you know, with Ozempic out there, there's a lot of excess skin out there that needs to be removed. Oshiru is the innovator of the night. It's a win for patients because they get to look more refreshed without a lot of downtime. It's a win for surgeons because they have a cash pay procedure that they can do that doesn't require a lot of training and it does not take up a lot of precious clinical time. Easy to integrate into their practice. It's a win for investors because it's a huge and growing market. It's already been used successfully in patients and it's ready for commercialization. But much more than that, Oshiru is challenging the paradigm of traditional blepharoplasty surgery. And we have this new technology that we've created that actually is category creation. And that's the compressive skin contouring. And what that results in is we're really opening up a whole new commercial market for skin removal anywhere in the body. And that's why we should be the innovator of the night.